Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make again offal. We love offal. A lot of you ask more and more recipe and I have a lot. And today we're going to make some very easy, quite tasty, like always, gonna be al bacio. I'm going to make today beef heart and beef liver with new potatoes roast. Gonna be absolutely al bacio. I'll show you what we need. Of course, ask your butcher some beef liver, beef heart, you see? Already trimmed, clean, some new potatoes, dry rosemary, sweet paprika, salt, garlic powder, soya sauce, pepper, and some garlic, okay? We start with the offal, with liver and heart, okay? I'm gonna dice it. I don't give you any weight because this is gonna be for video and for my dinner, but depend how many people you have, you know. This is like 350 grams each. We take a bowl and we start cut, okay? We're gonna dice it, not too big, okay? I'm gonna dice like this. You see? Stuff like this, not too big. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. It's very interesting. The same you're gonna do with the liver. No? Liver the same. And mix together, okay? Okay, you see? My heart and liver is. Now we're gonna add the potatoes, okay? They already washed. Just like this, okay? Put it together, all together. Okay? Cut your potato. The next step, we're gonna season it, okay? Now is mix everything. Salt, how much you like. Dried rosemary, as well, how much you like. Powder, garlic powder. Fresh garlic as well, 1, 2. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon. The sweet paprika, mix everything. Soya sauce, this is like 2 nice tablespoons. A nice touch amount of olive oil, okay? Mix again. I want to show you, you know? Everything is perfect here. Preheat the oven is already on. Take a tray, put some oil on the bottom. Sometimes when we cook it, if you see the potato, they just give spin a little bit the stuff, okay? I want to add a little bit more salt, black pepper, some more dry rosemary, and a little bit more garlic, okay? And some olive oil on the top. It's beautiful already. Yeah. Now this going in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later. There we go. See you later. The smell is absolutely stunning. There is already 15 minutes is out. Look at that. It's absolutely super. Look at that. Look dry, but look, move a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful. And now, oh, al bacio, guys. Cooking time 200 degrees. I'll have 35 minutes. Okay, it's absolutely al bacio, delicious, guys. Like always, this is my beef heart and liver with potato roast. Buonissimo, absolutely a masterpiece. If you like, always guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!